Alright guys, we're working on a 2014 Toyota Avalon today. We're actually replacing aftermarket HIDs on this vehicle because one of them blew out. As you can see over there, it's not lighting up. So we've actually already replaced this one. So this is our LC6 9005 for the low beams. The high beam, if you want to do that too, that's going to be a 9005 as well. So for right now, we're just focusing on the low beams because he has no lights at all right now. So we already got that one replaced. I'll show you how simple it is, okay? So pretty much I've already plugged in the actual bulb itself. So let me turn it off so I can show you better. Turn it off. Right, cool. So our LC6 9005. And very simple. That aside. Pretty much just plug it in. That's your original plug right there. And then just lock it in place into the socket. So put it in. And there you go. Okay, that's all it is. And that, put it in, and you gotta do the same thing with the driver's side. It's just kind of hidden in there, but you can see it's right there. So it's already installed. And now, can you please light it up? That's the driver, and that's the passenger. And this uses a new style of projectors where they're like little squares compared to the one single projector round one. So there you go. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to let us know and we'll be more than happy to help you out. So, and another thing, these don't require any type of canvas decoders, so you're good to go. So you won't have any type of errors. Okay? Thank you for watching.
Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning bed.